After I uploaded a short video of my AA and AAA summary notes and question banks yesterday, I received a lot of inquiries from all of you asking me to describe it further. You all wanted to know that what are the contents of these books, so I am going to explain it one by one to you. Right now I have 4 books with me, but let us start with this. This is AA summary notes. I hope you can see it. This is AA summary notes, okay, audit and assurance summary notes. Now my dear friends, I am going to read out all the information that has been mentioned over here, and I am also going to tell you that what are the contents of it, how it is prepared, and how you can order it for yourself. Okay, so first of all, let me show you that these are handwritten notes. See, you can see that these are handwritten notes. You can open any page. These are handwritten summary notes in the colorful format. Okay, so I have myself drafted these notes, so I can tell you that these are one of the best notes that you can refer for your AA preparation. Now my dear friends, it is named as summary notes. Okay, why? Because I have covered everything, but I have skipped some of the explanations part which you can refer through my lectures as well. And you have to understand it particularly that when you call it summary notes, it is going to help you cover everything in the shortest possible timing. Now my dear friends, here it is mentioned in the key features that it is created using various reference materials. That is, I have analyzed the ACCA study hub, I have analyzed different reference materials, and I have mentioned all the relevant pointers that you need to cover everything. Then examiner reports are also considered over here. So in examiner reports, a lot of times it happens that students tend to miss certain things that it is mentioned in the examiner report. I have covered that also here. Now you can see that it is based on ACCA past papers as well. So I have analyzed certain questions, and there are certain questions which are not covered in the syllabus as well but are asked in the examination, so I have covered that also here. Then common student pain points. Now based on my years of experience, I have seen that there are certain pointers where students face a lot of trouble or they tend to make more and more mistakes, so I have covered that also here. Now latest trends in commonly tested areas also, so I have analyzed certain questions and I have analyzed that what are the most frequently asked questions, and I have covered that also over here in the summary notes also. Now my dear friends, it is here on the back side you can see that it is written what makes these notes special. So I will just read the highlighted points. It is 100% written, okay, it is 100% handwritten by me. Now color coded, so there are various colors that are being used for different items. For example, some of the important items are mentioned in green color for you to remember it on the last day as well. Exam focused, that is, it will provide you the knowledge but it will also focus on making you clear your examination as well. Then all the concepts have been covered, all the keywords have been highlighted so that you can refer it very easily later on. Index has been created and shortcuts have been mentioned, so a lot of times you find mnemonic very interesting, so I have mentioned all the mnemonics that we use in the lectures here also. Then summary boxes are also there and perfect for revision, because see what happens is it is good for study also, but when it comes to revision, audit becomes a little lengthy subject, so I have covered everything over here. Now there's a message from the author. Okay, who is the author, sir? I am the author, Supreet Agrawal. Okay, so let me read out the message so that it becomes more and more clear to you. Audit is the most practical subject written in the most theoretical manner. Now my dear friends, if you have watched any of my lectures, you must agree with me that I always say that audit is a very practical subject. You just need to learn through real life examples, you just need to learn through real world examples, and you will find that it is very practical. My goal with these handwritten summary notes is to bridge that gap for you, to help you understand the logic, not just the language, the mindset, not just the memory. I wish you a powerful preparation and a brilliant result ahead. See you, Supreet Agrawal. So these are the information of this particular notes. Now how you can order it, wait till the end of the video, I would be explaining it to you. Okay, now after this, the second book is AA question bank. This is AA question bank. I hope you can see it. This is AA question bank. Okay, now my dear friends, this question bank covers questions from ACCA study hub, various reference materials also. Again, let me read out the key features. So key features are various reference materials, examiner reports, ACCA past papers, common student pain points, and latest trends and commonly tested areas. But why this question bank? Why this question bank? This is an important area for you to understand. Let me read it out for you. The ACCA AA exam is not just about learning definitions, it's about understanding the audit mindset also, applying professional judgment and writing answers the examiner wants to see. So here I have drafted the answers in such a way that would be acceptable by the examiner also, and that will help you fetch marks also. Now what makes this question bank different? That is very important. What makes this question bank different? So number one, chapter wise exam style questions. My dear friends, I have also mentioned the index over here. If you see, I have mentioned the index also over here, so it would be very easy for you in the physical format also to refer to the questions. Then step by step audit thinking process, that is, I have not just highlighted the answers over here, I have also mentioned why such a point is important and why you need to mention it. Then perfectly structured answers using ACCA language, because the language that has been used here is taken from ACC study hub, is taken from ACC examiner reports only, and updated to match the latest syllabus and exam trend. That is, it is updated to match the latest exam trends and latest answers only. Now again, a message from the author, let me read it out to you. The double exam rewards clarity, logic and structured audit reasoning. This question bank is my attempt to give you exactly what the examiner looks for. Use this resource consistently. That is, it should not be used on the last day only. You should use it consistently. And I assure you, your confidence will rise, your writing will sharpen, and your scores will follow. Wishing you success. See you, Supreet Agrawal. And here, my Telegram channel, my YouTube channel, and my Instagram channel has been mentioned along with the QR codes of BB Virtuals Global for you to get more details about it. Now, my dear friends, if I talk about AAA, here I have the similar summary notes for AAA as well. Again, the details are similar. That is, these are summary notes. This covers everything. Key features are various reference materials, examiner reports, ACCA past papers, common student pain points, latest trends in commonly tested areas. Why? What makes these notes special? So 100% handwritten. These are also handwritten, like you can see that these are also handwritten summary notes. Okay, handwritten notes. But so summary means everything is not covered. No, my dear friends, everything is covered. Then so why summary? Because I have skipped some of the explanation which were not necessary for you to remember or understand. Okay, now it's color coded. These are also color coded. That is, every important point has been highlighted in different colors for you to read it. Okay, and I have got this feedback from students that once they refer these notes, they are able to study for more number of hours as well, because they are beautifully designed also. Okay, now exam focus. That is, although all knowledge has been mentioned over here, but these are also created from the point of view of exam. Now concept and keywords have been highlighted in detail. Index and shortcuts is also there, so you can see that there is index also created which will help you to refer to all the details, all the chapters very appropriately. See here index is also created. Summary boxes are also there. A lot of times what is there, has been mentioned is there are clouds that have been mentioned. There are different type of structure that have been created for you to remember effectively on the last day. Then mnemonic and memory hooks have also been mentioned, and perfect for revision. My dear friends, I have taken these notes. I use these notes on my lectures also. I use the digital copy of these notes in my lectures also, and I have seen that people are able to revise, the students are able to revise very quickly using these notes. Again, there's a message from the author similar to AA, but let's read it out. Audit is the most practical subject written in the most theoretical manner. My goal with these notes, handwritten summary notes, is to bridge that gap for you, to help you understand the logic, not just the language, the mindset, not just the memory. I wish you all a powerful preparation and a brilliant results ahead. See you, Supreet Agrawal. So my dear friends, this is our AAA summary notes. Okay, now let's come to the last book for today, which is AAA question bank. I feel it's a little heavier than AA. It is supposed to be, right? There are no MCQs here. There are descriptive questions only here. So this is my AAA question bank. Here you will see that they have certain key features. Let me spell it out. Let me read it out. Various reference materials. It has been created using various reference materials. It has been created using examiner reports also, ACCA past papers also, common student pain points also, and latest trends also. Now my dear friends, why this question bank? Why this question bank is special? So the ACCA AAA exam is not just about learning definitions. It's about understanding the audit mindset, applying professional judgment, and writing answers the examiner wants to see. What makes this question bank different? What makes this question bank different? Chapter wise exam style question. Chapter wise, sir? Yes. Index has been created for you to easily refer it. Okay. Now perfectly structured answer using ACC language. So sir, the answers are related to ACC language only. Can we use the same answers? Yes, you can use the same answers. Okay. Now perfectly structured answer using ACC language and updated to match the latest labels and exam trends also. So this question bank you can refer for the purpose of your effective study. Now my dear friends, these are the 4 books that I have created. These are the 4 books that I have created. This includes AA and AAA summary notes and AA and AAA question banks as well for March 2026 and onwards attempt. My dear friends, how you can order this, how you can access these notes. So as of now, I have made the ebook public for you. I will be sharing the link with you in a very shortest time. What you should do is, if you want these notes, you should just comment notes in this reel, in this video, in this YouTube short, wherever you are seeing this video, just comment notes, and I would be sharing the link of that ebook with you in your DMs or in the reply of your comment. Okay, so all the very best. Wish you all a very successful preparation and great results ahead. All the very best. Signing off. See you, Supreet Agrawal.